Hi everyone, this is Jia and you're watching Jia's Art. Today I'm gonna show you how to draw a girl with hat for beginners. Hit the red subscribe button and click on the bell icon for upcoming drawing tutorials. These are the tools I'll be using. For more details, check out the description below. Step 1. First at all, draw the basic shape of drawing according to this measurement. Now attach it with the line and make a shoulder shape. Now erase the measurement lines. Now make a line which is parallel to it. Basically, it's an arm of the girl. Now make a line which is 1.4 cm. Now make hairline. Now draw her frock. Now draw her arm and hand which is holding a flower basket. Now I am drawing her hat. Now draw a tie of ribbon on her hat. Now draw hairs. First step is done. Let's move on second step. Now I am using black pointer and outline the mid lines of hat. Also outline the tie. Now make dots in tie. Now using red color and color the tie. Again outline with pointer. Second step is done. Let's move on third step. In this step, I am using black pointer and outline the basket and flowers. Now using red color and color the flowers. Now using green color and color the leaves. Now using black color and color the basket. Third step is done. Let's move on fourth step. Now draw lines in frog using same pencil HB. Now add some shading in her hat, shirt and frock. Now using blending stump for blending. Now using 4B pencil and outline the hat. Also outline the dress. Now add shading. Now blend it with blending stump. Fourth step is done. Let's move on fifth step. Now outline the frock lines. Now draw hairs in strokes. Now blend it with blending brush. Now I am cutting the eraser for sharpness. Now add some highlights in hairs. Also merge it with HB pencil. Finally, it's done. Hope you all enjoy my video tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, then give me a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, try this one and tag me on Instagram for featured. The Instagram link is given in description. Share your feedback in comments below. Thanks for watching. Check my previous video, subscribe my channel, like my page on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter.